Today we just took delivery of our Lang Makro-Grip 5-axis self-centering vise. We have a couple other ones of these, but this is the largest one that we have. Two of the features that I really love about this vise are the little nubs up on the top of the jaws. That really helps for overall rigidity, and it also helps for repeatability. I can take a blank out and put it back in and it repeats right on the money. The other thing I really love about their system is their quick point system. So it has these nubs on the bottom of the vise and any of their other work holding. It allows me to switch out projects really quickly, really easily, and I can switch out work holding too, which is awesome. So really fast, just a quick turn of a hex key. Another great feature of the Lang is its rigidity. So this right here doesn't really look all that great, and I had some reservations about whether I'd be able to cut it or not. But the rigidity of the Lang was amazing. I had no chatter, no issues at all cutting the top of this part. So I'd really like to thank Lang for providing us with this work holding, and I'm really looking forward to what we can make with this larger vise.